Hello, are you thinking about moving to Woodstock, Georgia? Well, you've come to the right place to get all the information that you want to know. Woodstock is about 30 miles north of Atlanta, Georgia, and it is growing but still remains quite the community-oriented place and a wonderful place to live. I'm Shonna Sherrill with eXp Realty, and my team and I help buyers just like you every single day make a smooth move to Woodstock. So we're here to answer your questions, show you around, and make sure you know everything that you want to know before you make this move. So today I am going to do something a little bit unconventional and backwards from what we normally do because there's so much construction going on. I'm starting at the back of the house and we are going to tour a home here in the village at Towne Lake. This is one of the newer models that they have going now, and it's the Washington. And the best part, these homes are listed in the high 400s. So come on, let's go take a look. But before we do, make sure if this is your first time to the channel that you like and subscribe to our channel so you will be the first to know when the future tours are coming available. Let's go see it. Okay, we're going to do everything backwards today. We're going to start in the backyard. So these are all single family homes. You can see they're building all the way down this street. We're going to take a look at this home right here. It is still under construction, so it is obviously not going to be furnished. So this home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. These are built by Davidson Homes, and all of your bedrooms are on the upper level. It's about 1,800, a little over 1,800 square feet. Nice black vinyl windows, those are pretty. So we step off the back patio into the living area, and has an electric fireplace. It's open to the kitchen and dining areas. I really love all these windows. And you've got woods behind you, so nobody's going to build back there. It's a very private area. Stepping into the kitchen, where it's a very nice sized pantry. There's your oven and microwave, 5-burner gas cooktop, and the vent hood. Really nice size island with quartz countertops. There's a half bath here on the hallway, a coat closet, and a 2-car garage. Now we are going to take a run upstairs. Now this is your front door. It's really loud, sorry. Step outside and kind of show you around the neighborhood a little bit. These are single family homes. The house right there is the one that we're touring. We have additional ones coming along here and all the way down the street. So there are some for sale, and the builder, Davidson Homes, is offering some great incentives right now. They want to get you in these homes. Great little neighborhood, lots of fun things to do. Got clubhouse, pickleball courts, all kinds of fun stuff going on here all the time. Come in the front door. The staircase is going to be right in front of the door. And then as we get to the top of the stairs, you have 2 secondary bedrooms and bath on the left, primary suite on the right. Nice sized bedrooms. You have walk-in closets. Across the street are more private residences, and those are townhomes. And right next to them are single family homes. Davidson Builders does both in this community. There's your other bedroom, walk-in closet. Linen closet here on the hallway. Dual vanity sinks in your hall bath. Tile surround with a shower tub combination. So as we're going down the hallway, now this is going to be to the right of the stairs. There's a nice sized laundry room. And this one has a utility sink. And then coming into the primary suite, look at this closet system. Pretty awesome. Isn't that nice? Got this huge closet. And the primary bathroom is beautiful. Large shower, frameless glass door. You have dual vanities separate. Nice windows. And your water closet and linen closet are here. Now, one of the great features about this plan, this is the primary bedroom. It's great size. Is the deck off the primary fun stuff. So I know that was a little different because it wasn't finished, it wasn't furnished, but like I said, these homes are under $500,000 and they're brand new. Warranties, everything that you need and want are right here. So make sure if you're interested in this home or any others in the area, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a chat. I'm happy to help you in any way that I can. And once again, if this is your first time to the channel, like and subscribe so you'll be the first to know when we have additional tours coming available. Hope to see you soon.